Good day, friends. Don't forget our JAM classes and WIRE classes, they are still ongoing. Connect with us during Dreams Tutorial Center, 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. If you think the distance is far, check the number displayed on the screen. Reach out to us through those numbers. We'll be able to teach you one-on-one online. Let's get started. Don't forget we started our class some days ago on ecology, but now we'll be talking about, we want to solve this question on soil conservation. What is soil conservation? Soil conservation means the means of preventing soil erosion and improving soil fertility. So the question says the following are methods of conserving the following are methods of soil conservation except contour terracing, strip cropping, contour plowing, and mixed grazing. When we talk about contour terracing means a method of reducing runoff on slopes. So this one means method of reducing runoffs on slopes. So it can help to prevent soil erosion. We also have strip cropping. Strip cropping reduces both wind and water erosion. It reduces wind and water erosion. While contour plowing is slow down the flow of water. This one slows down. It slows down the water flow. It slows down the water flow. So when we talk about mixed grazing only affects animal rearing, not particularly soil conservation. So mixed grazing is more of animal rearing. So the best option here, the following are methods of soil conservation except mixed grazing. So this is the answer. See you in my next video.